Okay, so this is the MADLUVV brow stamp kit. So you get the bag, you have the stencils, and I'm gonna show you. This thing is amazing. It actually works. I used it myself yesterday. I'm gonna show you on a piece of paper because it's hard to film and you have to kind of hold the stencil. This is a card that comes with it, and it has a scan for tutorial. You get a little spoolie and you get the stamper, which is kind of like it's kind of like a powder, and this is the taupe color is what I got. So it's amazing. It actually works. Everything is so hard one-handed. Sorry. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so this is your little sponge, and then the product is in there. So let me show you one of the stencils. I think I used one yesterday. So there's different brow shapes. And get some of your product on there, and then you start at the end. Oh, this is gonna be hard one-handed. Let's try again. See, so I'm just gonna get my product, and then look at that. Amazing, right? This was from the first one. So there's all kinds of different, arch shapes that you can use. You can do like a pretty dramatic arch if you'd like. And you just hold the stencil on your face and then push. Look at that brow. That's a beautiful brow. That's the one that I used yesterday. Anyways, highly recommend. It comes in many different colors, plenty to choose from to get your correct color match. 6 stencils. So you can get the right shape. You can do, all kinds of cool stuff. Definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. I will be using this. And there you go.